Have you noticed how a 30-second reel or a YouTube short can make an unknown chaiwala famous overnight in India? Or how brands like Zomato and Swiggy literally live inside our Instagram feeds with funny videos? That's the power of video marketing, my friend. And in today's video, I'm going to take you step by step through everything you need to know about video marketing, from YouTube SEO to short form content. And I will also share real stories from India so you can see how it works in real life. So if you want to grow your business, your personal brand, or even just get famous online, stick with me till the end, because this video could be a game changer for you. Before that, if you want to watch this masterclass fully in order, then I would recommend you to check out the podcast in the above cards. Now we are going to see why video marketing is working. India has over 460 million YouTube users, make it the biggest market in the world. And with Geo bringing cheap internet, even a small town college student can upload videos that get millions of views. A street vendor from Kochi, famous as Thatte Idli Amma, started getting customers from across the city just because her simple cooking videos went viral on YouTube. She didn't spend a single rupee on advertising. Her videos did all the marketing. That's the beauty of video. It builds trust, emotions, and connects with people faster than text or images ever could. Now we are going to see what are all the types of video marketing. There are mainly 4 powerful types of video marketing. First one, YouTube long form videos like tutorials, vlogs, reviews, etc. For example, Technical Guruji explains tech products and earns crores through YouTube ads plus brand deals like me. Second one, YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or TikTok. Short snackable content under 60 seconds. Yashraj Mukhade, he turned funny dialogues like into viral hits. Third one, explainer and brand videos. Businesses use this for product launches. For example, Zomato's quickly ads and reels like your favorite food is waiting for you. Fourth one, live videos and webinars. Direct interaction, Q&A, sales pitch. For example, many Indian educators on platforms like Unacademy and Physics Wala run live classes that double as marketing tools. So here's the one, how to get started. Now let's talk about how you can start video marketing in India without spending lakhs. First one, choose your platform wisely. If you want to educate, choose YouTube. If you want fast virality, select Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. If you are in business, LinkedIn video works amazingly. Second one is content is king, but storytelling is queen. People don't just buy products, they buy stories. For example, Hamul India ads, every single video connects with our emotions, whether it's cricket, politics or festivals. Third one, you should have to keep basic equipments like smartphone plus good lighting. Even sunlight works. Pre-editing apps like CapCut, InShot, VN app are used. Fourth one, SEO for YouTube. Use keywords in your title, description and tags. For example, instead of uploading a video titled best phone, say best phone under 15,000 in India 2025. This helps you ranking searches. Fifth one, consistency is everything. Don't just post one viral video and disappear. Example, you see beer biceps. Ranveer Halabadia started with fitness tips, consistently uploaded, and now he runs a full podcast empire. Next, we are gonna see some real life Indian success stories. Let me share a couple of inspiring Indian success stories in video marketing. You know, Buhan Bam, Baby Key Vines, started with funny skits shot on a phone in Delhi. Today, he is not just a YouTuber, but also a singer, actor, and brand face. You can also see Anand Kumar's Super 30. The coaching institute became globally known because of documentaries and videos showcasing his teaching style, which build trust more than any flyer or ad could. The small businesses. I met a saree seller in Surat who started posting styling tips on Instagram Reels. Within months, her orders came from Mumbai, Bangalore, even Dubai. That's video marketing at work. Now you're gonna see some important tips for viral success. Here are 5 golden tips for anyone serious about video marketing in India. First one, keep videos short and engaging. First 5 seconds decide if people will watch. Second one, use your mother language with English. Most people connect with it naturally. Third one, add subtitles. Many watch videos on mute. Ride trends. Use popular sounds, memes, or topics. Always add a call to action. Like, share, subscribe, or visit your website. Now you're gonna see some monetization techniques in video marketing. Okay, so you might be wondering, how do you actually make money with video marketing? There are multiple ways in there. Let's see one by one. First one, ad revenue. YouTube pays creators once they hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. For example, many Indian vloggers like Flying Beast earns lakhs per month from YouTube ads alone. Second one, brand collaborations. Companies pay influencers to promote products in their videos. For example, a beauty influencer in India can earn 20,000 to 2 lakh for a single sponsored video. Third one, affiliate marketing. Add product links in your video description. Whenever someone buys, you earn commission. For example, tech reviews like tracking trick and extra income this way. Fourth one, your own products or courses. Sell digital products, online courses, or even merchandise. For example, Physics Wala started with free YouTube classes and today as a full-net tech empire. Now you wanna see future of video marketing in India. Now what's the future of video marketing in India? First one, regional language content. Videos in Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi are exploding. For example, village cooking channels from Tamil Nadu crossed millions of subscribers making traditional food videos. Second one, AI and personalization. Tools like ChatGPT, Cynthia, and AI editing apps will make video creation even easier. Third one, shoppable videos. Soon you will watch a video and directly click to buy the product inside the video. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram are already testing this. Fourth one, metaverse and AR videos. Brands will use AR filters and VR experiences to market their products. So the future is very exciting, and if you start now, you will be ahead of the crowd. So my friend, whether you are a student, a shop owner, or an aspiring entrepreneur, video marketing is the fastest way to build trust and reach millions in India today. Start small, stay consistent, and who knows, your next video could be the one that makes you the next big sensation from India. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of growing online. And tell me in the comments which type of video do you want to start with.